Hello mga loves! We are now decorating our birthday cake for Sweetest Banana. This is the part 3. If you haven't watched the part 1 and 2, the link is on the description. Please check it out. Let's start by leveling our vanilla sponge cake. I'm surprised that the vanilla sponge cake is still moist even after 16 hours after it was baked. I can't resist to taste it. We are now using a turntable and my DIY cake board. Let's put a small amount of frosting to hold the cake in place. Put a generous amount of frosting on top of the first layer. I'm using buttercream frosting. Spread them evenly. Put the second layer of cake upside down. Make sure it is centered. I also like to put baking paper around the cake. This will make the cake board stay clean while we are decorating. Now let's crumb coat the cake. This doesn't have to be perfect. We will cover this later. Now that the cake is coated with buttercream, let's chill this in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's now put the second layer of the frosting. Take as much time as you want mga loves. Frosting of cake is not easy for beginners like us. Let's just keep on trying and practicing because remember, practice makes better. After our second coating, let's put it back to the fridge and chill for 30 minutes. I have here my remaining buttercream. I will add blue and green food coloring. Let's now decorate our cake. I used 2 shades of blue and green. I started by putting alternately light shades of both color. Then I just added more food color on the buttercream to create a darker shade. You can write a dedication letter on top or use a cake topper or anything you like. And this is the final look of Sweetest Banana's birthday cake. I made a topper and I will show you on my next upload how I made this. Thank you for watching, mga loves!